The Omicron variant, as you know, still surging nationwide and putting a strain on nearly every aspect of American life in this country. In just 24 hours on Monday, the U.S. saw more than 1.4 million new COVID cases. That number has never been higher. A hearing with top health officials on Capitol Hill yesterday included some very intense criticism over the scarcity of COVID tests and the mixed messaging on how to react if you get a positive result. The acting FDA chief, that's Janet Woodcock, told the panel at some point, most people in this country will get COVID. All this is worsening the crisis at many American schools that are just trying to keep your children safe while also keeping them busy learning. Mark Strassman is following that part of the story in Mobile, Alabama.
School is back in session across almost all of the country.
School should be the first places to open and the last places to close.
And the nation's top health officials say the safety of students and staff is their top priority.
First and foremost, one of the most important things that's changed is we should be getting our children and our teenagers vaccinated.
Across COVID America, 5,400 schools reported Omicron surge disrupted in-class learning last week. This week, that number already tops 3,000. In Los Angeles, more than 400,000 students returned to class Tuesday amid a surge in COVID cases across the city school district. The latest data showing nearly 60,000 active cases among students and staff, about 15% of the tests submitted.
There's a lot of widespread infection in the school.
Students in Brooklyn took matters into their own hands, staging a walkout Tuesday in protest over in-person teaching mandates. But some programs are finding their way. At this 9,000-acre preserve in Lafarge, Wisconsin, a new kindergarten program embraces the benefits of outdoor learning.
Nice and tall.
And discovered a pandemic safe space.
At the peak of an outbreak that we had 28 active cases among students and staff.
And how about in this program? How many kids?
0.
None. Coincidence?
Probably not. No.
17 schools in Portland, Maine also built outdoor learning spaces, plenty of winter gear and Wi-Fi. 6,700 students, K through 12, spend part of their day outdoors.
But what we found is just that the students are loving, teachers are using the school grounds in ways that they did not before.
Here in Alabama, school staffing has been an issue since the start of the pandemic. With the Omicron surge, the number of cases among students and staff has nearly quadrupled this week to 3,000, pushing some school systems into remote learning. And I should point out, too, that Alabama has one of the lowest child vaccination rates in the country. Tony?
Winter plus remote learning, very hard on parents. Mark, thank you very much.